Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. So you have accidentally or purposefully deleted photos from your Android device and now you're wondering how can you get them back. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you do that in a very easy and clear method. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, we need to open Play Store. From Play Store, search for this app named Disk Digger. So once you find it, it should look like this. Go ahead and install this application on your Android device. Wait for it for a couple of seconds. It's a pretty small application, but it's very useful. Once you install it, go ahead and open it, of course. And once you open it just like that, from here you can recover photos and even videos, as you can see here. For this video, we'll try out the photos, so tap on search for lost photos right here. Then from there, tap on go to settings to give it permission to allow access to manage all files, just like that. Turn on that switch and then go back and automatically this search will begin by itself. Wait for a couple of seconds. The images will be popping up in your screen right here. Look for the ones that you want to recover. Select them by tapping the square right here on those images. And then once you make up your mind about the images you want to recover, tap on recover right here. Now, if you can't find the pictures that you want to recover, just wait for this search to be completed, because as you can see, it can take longer, of course, if you have lots of files. So wait for it to scan for all of the files and pictures, and then you can go ahead and recover them just like that. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Peace.